Hey, this is Thomas Mangum from thomasmangum.com. On this site in 1542, Cabrillo was the first European to set foot on what's now known as the west coast of the United States. I'm here in San Diego, California at Point Loma, the Cabrillo National Monument, and I'm reminded of something regarding mastermind groups. Yep, I'm making a connection here. And really working with any sort of team. And one of the things I thought of is one of the most frequently asked questions that I get regarding mastermind groups is, Thomas, how do you keep the team together? When you form a mastermind group, how do you keep the team together working on the same page so that everyone's stepping up the game, it just doesn't turn into another meeting? And one of the things I like to say is it really takes having a code of honor. A code of honor is something that Blair Singer talks about in building a team, the ABCs of building a team that wins. It's one of the things that I came across in my time in the military, and it helped us step up our game. It's a unified set of guidelines and principles, and it's one of the reasons we call it a code of honor, is that you do it on your honor. You leave it up to you to enforce. These are things that we agree to, such as being honest in our mastermind group. If I'm working on a team and collaborating, I'm going to commit to being honest and authentic. I'm going to be honest about doing what I say I'm going to do, or I'm going to renegotiate with you. I think back to Cabrillo when he set off on this expedition from Europe, and when you really think about this in 1542, it really took something to unify his team and his ships and his crew members so that at the first time they had a hard time, they didn't just jump ship or just say, hey, this is too hard, it's too cold out here, it's not worth it. So what do you have in place on your teams that bond people together, that everyone can be committed to, so that they're truly acting as a team and not just looking out for their own self-interest? Now that's fine that we honor that, but it's also really important that everyone is unified in some way so that they're working toward the team. So I'm asking you is like, what do you have in place that binds your team together and steps up the performance that you want? Oh, that's it from San Diego and Cabrillo National Monument. Make it an awesome week. Ciao.